Hey guys, welcome to the video today as we continue on our discussions of privacy and security online and just how important they are and how increasingly difficult it is becoming to remain anonymous, remain invisible online. Today I'm going to talk about cloud services. Now, cloud services, here we go, on my back door of my website here. Cloud services are pretty much everywhere, and it is the way in which everything is going to be headed in the virtual space. Microsoft does not wish to support desktop applications anymore. They want everything to be done in the cloud. That's why they have pushed so very, very hard to get people to use their online Office suites, even though you can still download them. Their online suites currently are, in my view, not too shit hot, but that is the direction in which they wish to go. Google, of course, is doing it, and they're doing it for free. And you always have to remember that when it's free, the product is you, not the suites. Now, personal cloud services are becoming more and more popular. Dropbox was kind of the original when it came to doing that, and they've done a pretty good job of it. Okay. Now, one time their service was far more interesting. I'm not going to log on to Dropbox because I have a Dropbox account still, which I'm working on getting rid of. But Dropbox's service started out pretty good. I think you got 3 gig of hard drive space, and every person that you brought to Dropbox, you got another 500 megabytes of free space. And let's face it, their prices are pretty good. It's $15 US, I think it is, for 2 terabytes of hard drive space. Now, typically, hard drive space, if you are looking for it yourself, you're looking at about 10 cents a gig. So you can see that that number of the 2 terabytes is very much in your favor. And this is why so many people will go to Dropbox. Now, if you have the Office 360 suite, you also get 2 terabytes of hard drive space free with that. But you need to ask yourself one question. Do you really need 2 terabytes of hard drive space? Okay. What are you putting up in storage? Now, I have about 500 gigabytes of cloud storage that's in use, because I have an online business and I have products in the cloud. But even with Dropbox charging you the prices that they're not making money on that hard drive space. They are making money on the data that you are giving them when you go in. Right? I would say that their business model is probably the idea of breaking even by selling the drive space. Outlook doesn't care. Right? Outlook has everything they need because you're running Windows, you're running Office, OneDrive, sorry, and so there is no need for them to worry about the fact they're giving you 2 terabytes for free. It is all into their favor. Now, how well can you trust these big companies? Why would you trust them with your data? Right? I certainly do not. I have no private data in any cloud storage that is not my cloud storage. That's going to want to take me to the UK here. My VPN is causing me some... What the devil's that? Okay, I'm going to type this in manually here. Now, my suggestion for all of this is to go to Nextcloud. Nextcloud, if you are looking for storage. Now, this is not cheap storage because it is private storage. These are private small companies that have come forward and offering storage through the Nextcloud platform to bring you the ability to put things in the cloud where your privacy is going to be protected. Now, Nextcloud is an open source project that I'm very, very impressed with. And it mimics Dropbox in many, many ways. Right? And it also offers applications for you. There's a calendar up there. There's an address book up there. You can actually even do web chats through this service. Now what you would do is you sign up for it, you download the applications, and then you choose a server which to use, and then all the servers offer some free space, just like Dropbox did back in the day. And then if you want more space, you pay for it pretty much by the gigabyte almost, right? It's a very good setup. Now, I have my own Cloud instance, which means I set up my own server. And I've got roughly 300 gigabytes on my server right now that I can use. I'll be increasing that. I'd like to get that up to about a terabyte. Now, I've been offering it to my students for them to create accounts and to contribute. I'm charging $4.97 a month, and you get 40 gigabytes presently. Now, the more people that join in on that, the price won't go down, but the amount of storage space will go up. Because at that point in time, I have the ability to paying for the server and the service. We can just, as we expand it, we just increase the space, and everybody does well. But this is a case of a server where you are not the product. You are paying for your privacy and to assure your privacy. Right? It's an excellent system. I'm going to get some testimonials from my people that are using it currently. I think I've got about 10 people right now using the cloud service. And I'm very, very impressed with everything to do with this. Now, if you look down the bottom here on my toolbar, you can see this check mark. Here's my mouse here. You can see this check mark down here, which is I'm all synced. Right? Now, I have two accounts. That's my personal account there, and then I have one also for my business in which the products are on. This also is not low-hanging fruit, especially not on my server, because I take great pains for security on my servers. But these are small servers, and for anything beyond bot sniffing and the odd guy trying to hack things, you're not going to get large concentrated hacks, because the rewards are not going to be what they would be on by hacking a OneDrive or by hacking a Dropbox. Right? And today, hacking is not really focused on the idea of being mean like it once was. It's now focused on the idea of how much money can we make by getting this data. Because always remember, guys, data is the #1 commodity in the world today. And that is something that you really have to think about, and think about a lot. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to share the video with your friends. Subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, shoot us off a like. We also have a Patreon, and those who join our Patreon, and it is linked below in the description, those who join our Patreon get their content before anyone else does. And as we're coming into some breaking news and things like that, this is content you're going to be very happy that you're getting ahead of the rest of the world for the fact that you're a contributor. Thanks so much for your support, everybody. Have a wonderful day, and we will see you in the next video. Bye for now.